guys, I'm Josephine and today I'm showing you how to make chapstick. Okay, so here's a chapstick. It's pretty much empty. I can't get anything else out of it. So open this up and then you see this plastic part right here. We're gonna scoop out all this chapstick here that I can't get. Okay, so this thing came out, so now I'm just gonna take off this stuff already. I'll clean that up later, and I'll just take this and start working at it again until it's empty. Okay, so we're almost done here. Just gotta get this last bit out. Alright, so our fingers will be kind of greasy, so we're gonna go wash off. Alright, so here is the chapstick bottle. Of course, it's empty. And then here's the empty thing that holds the chapstick in. So I rinsed the extra out with warm water and soap. That worked pretty well. And now it's actually time to make the chapstick parts. So let's go do that. So first you'll need 1 tablespoon of beeswax, and you'll grind that like that. I had a tricky time doing it at first, but then my mom helped me. And I measured it in a tablespoon to see if it was actually a tablespoon so that it would be accurate. Then you'll need to dump it back into the bowl. And then you'll need 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. So there's 1 and there's 2. Next, you can either use olive oil or almond oil. I used olive oil, and you'll need 1 tablespoon of that. Then you'll need about 8 little drops of peppermint oil or any other scent stuff. Alright, here is the chapstick stick, and you'll need to put the clear part in the chapstick, and then you'll need to roll it all the way down to the bottom. Then I took off the label of it to make it look nicer. Next, with your mix, put it over some really hot water, and so that you can make melt. And then let it melt. Then use a stick that you can throw away, and then start to mix it. Just like that. Soon it should start melting. Alright, it's a little bit more melted now. As you can see, the little shreds of beeswax is smaller. Now they're all gone, and now it's just liquid.
Alright.
This part is really hot, so you need to... I used a grown-up for this. So you take a syringe and then you suck up all the melted stuff and then put it in your chapstick tube. Fill it up to the top. Alright, it's almost at the top, just like 1 more little drop. Boop. Well, maybe a couple more drops. Alright, that looks nice. Then you'll need to walk over to the fridge and put it in the fridge for some minutes. I don't know how much, but you can check on it every now and then. Then you can open it up when it's solid. It's right there. Grab it. Okay. Yeah, when it's solid. Then I cut out my own label for it. And yeah, I just cut it out like that, and then I taped it to the chapstick thing, the tube, just like this. I know I used tape, but it might not be the best thing, but it worked for me. And now we get to try it out. Pepperminty, but it works really well. Thanks for watching this video. I hoped you can make the chapstick chapstick, and I hope it worked well for you, and I hope you learned something new. So, bye!